Are you having trouble with change avatar on the Kik app? If you can't upload a new profile picture, the avatar isn't updating, or your new image isn't being saved, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix change avatar on Kik app. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Kik. Then here in this page, you will go to profile. You will find this page. You go to channel, and here we'll find the sign of pen. You will tap here, and then you'll find change avatar. You will click, and then you will choose whether if you want to upload from device or take a photo, or select suggested avatars here. So please don't forget to